Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change pictures in Remini. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. Now I've actually used some photos of Elon Musk here to generate some baby photos for a tutorial I just done. But let's just say I wanted to actually change the Elon Musk photo that I uploaded into the app. So the way to actually do that is simply to be on this AI photos page and then go up to the top right corner where there's that cog. And then from here we can just click delete AI model. It will ask, are you sure? And we just want to choose yes, delete model. Now we can go back and here it actually gives us the option to upload our photos again. So from here we can choose our gender. I'm just going to choose male. And then we'll be prompted to upload those 8 selfies again. So what we can do from there is if we didn't like the photos that we uploaded, we could do some better photos that might give the AI photo a better outcome. So whatever reason you needed to change it, that's exactly how you can change pictures in Remini. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and also like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.